Okay. So the question number 2 is merge the cells A1 to I1. Okay. So here A1 to I1. This is it. We merge it. Okay. Very simple. Important column A, row 1 and 2. So column A, row 1, 2, bold. Fill the cells A1 to I2 and A3 to A11 and A13 to A15 with an orange accent 2 shading. So this is what we select. Okay. So this is what we select. And how do we find the color? I told you we will never use the colors which are inside here. Okay. We'll always use those colors or the one at the top. Okay. When I say orange accent, what? Accent 2. Okay. Well, it will be most probably something from the top. Okay. So this is the color. No. This one, orange accent 2. Okay. Fill the cells A12 to I12 with a black shading. So A12 to I12 with the shading black. Add all borders for cells A1 to I12 and A13 to C15. So select it, borders, all borders. Okay. Till now there is nothing difficult here. Format the cells H3 to I12 and B13 to C15 to AED currency. Select currency AED. كل هذه الأشياء أخذنا قبل. No. In cell G3. Where do I work? In G3. In here. I want to calculate the consumption of the plane AE788 using the following formula. Consumption equal distance تقسيم 12 divided by 100 distance divided by 100 multiplied by packs and multiplied by something which we call fuel divided by 100 kilometer divided by packs, which is here. Okay. This is what we are using basically. Okay, the name is not really difficult to understand, but when you look at the name of the columns, I think it can be understandable. So what should I do here? We use a formula. So how do I start the formula? Equal. Equal what? Equal. Okay, we open the parentheses. Distance divide by 100. And we close it. Multiply by the packs and multiply by the fuel divided by 100 kilo divided by packs. That's it. Okay. I have done here the parentheses because the name is not really nice, so you will forgive me for this. And here, enter. Do I need to use the dollar anywhere? No. D3 will become D4, no problem. E3 will become E4, no problem. F3 will become F4, same, no problem. So just we copy. Okay. Use the logical function to find the fuel price for the plane AE788 in the cell H3. So we work here in fuel price. Okay. We say if the type equal A380, we put the price as 19. If the type equal A330, we put the price at 21. Otherwise, we put the price at 23. So what should I do? Function if. If what? If the type. Where is the type? It's in column B here. B3 equal A380. And don't forget, put here the quotations. Okay. If it's true, what do we put? 19. If it's false, we search for the next step. So if. Okay, what is the next step? B3 equal A330. Fasle, okay, comma. If it's true, 21, comma. If it's false, 23, and we close. Okay. Do we need the dollar anywhere? No, so we can copy paste. Question 9. In cell I3, calculate the total spent of the plane AE788 using the following formula. Total spent equal consumption multiplied by fuel price. So شو عامل? Equal consumption, which is in column G, multiplied by fuel price, which is in column H. Do I need the dollar? No. Okay. In cell B13, calculate the total spent for all A320 planes. In cell B13, what do we want to do? Calculate. Calculate يعني نحسب. نحسب شو? The total spent. Total يعني sum. The total spent for what? Only A320 planes. So it will not be sum, it will be sum if the plane is A320 at the time. Okay, so here function sum if. Be careful here, there are two functions, one sum if without s and one sum if with s. What we are using is the one without s. Okay, sum if. What is the range? The type. So I will take all the cells where I have a plain type. So from B3 to B11. What is my criteria here? A320. Okay, we search for the A320 plane. And what is the sum range? Total spend. Okay, the total spend, which is in column I. So I3 to I11. And we make okay. Okay? And we'll repeat the same thing for A330 and A380. Okay, question 11 and 12, it's the same thing, but for the other planes. Okay, so here, repeat with me. Function, okay. Sum if. What's the range? The type. What is the criteria? A330. What is the sum range? Total spend. Next one, function, sum if. The range is the type. The criteria is A380. And the sum range is total spend. Okay? So now we finished the first part, which is the calculations. Now we will attack the part of the charts. So then question 13 is insert a 3D clustered column chart using plane names and their total spend. Okay, what is the type of chart I will use? I will use the column type. What style, what design I will use for the column? 3D clustered. Okay, so I insert the 3D cluster column chart, and I will use the plain names and total spent. So I have to select only the plain names with the headings and the total spent with the headings. So what should I select? Plains. Like this. I will have to select from the title to the last plane. Okay, so from A2 to A11. And I have also to select the total spent, so the title with all the numbers. Okay? Then insert from the charts. Which one is the column? The first one here. Insert a column type chart. And where's the 3D clustered? Well, we have 2D, we have 3D. So we select 3D. This one is called 3D clustered column. Okay? Next question. Move the chart to cell A18. I want to move this chart in the same sheet to cell A18. What should I do? This time not right click. Right click, move chart. So this right click, move chart, it's when I want to move it to another sheet, either a new sheet or a sheet which is already available. Here I want to move it in the same sheet. So here simply cut. Then after cut, what should I do? We select A18 and we paste it. Okay? Change the style of the column chart to style 3. So how do I change the style? We select the chart, then either design, chart style, or from here the pencil, okay, and here style 3. Okay, add axis titles as follows: horizontal planes, vertical amount spent. How do I add axis titles? Come on. نضغط على chart. Okay, we click on the chart. Plus, and we select axis title. On the horizontal, sorry, where is it? Yes. On the horizontal one, we write planes. So here, on the horizontal, we write plane. And on the vertical, we write amount spent. Amount spent. Okay? Insert a 3D pie chart using A320 total, A330 total, and A380 total. Okay. So what kind of chart I will use? What type of chart? What? A pie. Okay. What design I will use? 3D. Okay. And I will use A320 total, A330 total, and A380 total. Meaning this. Okay. Those cells. Okay. So insert pie chart 3D. Okay. Move the chart to cell H18. How do I move it? Cut H18. Paste. Change the title of the pie chart and write types comparison. So here I will write types comparison. Move the legend of the pie chart to the left. How do I move the legend, which is this, to the left? You click on it, plus legend left, and that's it.